Hi everyone, Cauley Beetham here, Automotive State Manager for Victoria and Tasmania at Carsales. Join me for a look at the latest new car sales results for March. While the number of new cars sold in Australia in March ticked over 105,000, the market has softened slightly, down 3.3% year on year. But while the overall market eased, buyer behaviour shifted dramatically, driven by rapidly rising fuel prices and growing concerns around fuel security. At a model level, the Ford Ranger retained its position as Australia's top-selling vehicle, once again finishing ahead of long-time rival, the Toyota Hilux. Rounding out the podium was the Tesla Model Y, delivering a standout result and reinforcing the growing influence of electric vehicles in the mainstream market. China was Australia's biggest car supplier again in March, with 4 brands inside the top 10. BYD finished the month as the third best-selling manufacturer overall, highlighting the growing scale of EV-led brands in the Australian market. And that momentum was clear in March, with electric vehicles reaching a new high. More than 15,800 EVs were sold during the month, lifting EVs to a 14.6% share of the total market, the highest on record and nearly 90% up year on year, which reflects exactly what we've seen on car sales, with brand new EV searches up 261% month on month. As we know, rising fuel costs played a clear role in accelerating interest this month, with buyers increasingly prioritising running costs and long-term value when committing to their next vehicle. Petrol sales this month were down more than 20% year on year, while diesel volumes declined just over 10%, reflecting a change in the mix of vehicles buyers are considering. What we're seeing on car sales is record interest in brand new vehicles, with buyers coming straight to car sales when market conditions shift to research, compare, and move toward a decision. With Australia's largest range of new and near new inventory and trusted editorial and reviews, buyers are using car sales to validate price, compare specifications, and narrow their shortlist before they ever step into a dealership. Making sure your OEM-backed special offers are live helps ensure buyers see your best deals at the moment they are actively deciding. When demand shifts quickly and consideration sets change fast, being aligned to how buyers are using car sales as a new car environment can make a real difference to outcomes on the ground. That's it for this month. Thanks for joining me, and make sure you keep an eye on the Car Sales for Business LinkedIn page for more news, insights, and updates. Bye for now.